Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a resin tray with little bit of twist in it. I'm using this silicone mold for the tray. We'll clean it first. Now, firstly, I'm going to fill it with the white cement, or mostly half of the tray. I have my white cement mixture ready here. I will pour it. Just make sure it goes in all the corners. You can just give it a tap. It's even now. There are some bubbles. Now leave it to dry for at least 8 to 10 hours. Then you can check if it is hard or not. If it is hard enough, you can go ahead with the second layer, which is resin. So let's come back after it is completely dry. I'm back after 24 hours. Now this white cement is completely dry. Be careful with it. Don't hold it too hard, it may crack. So I'm keeping it aside. I'll mix resin now. It's already in 0. I have taken 70 grams of resin. of hardener. Perfect. Mix it for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to divide this resin in 3 parts, 30 grams each. I'm going to keep some clear resin aside if I want to use it later. Now let's mix the color. I'm going to take this white pigment. Pink. And a little white with it to make it a bit lighter pink. And gold mica powder in 1 cup. To this pink and white, I'm going to add apricot mica powder. To this white alcohol ink, I'm going to add gold pearl mica. Let's pour it onto the tray now. I hope I have mixed enough. If not, we can always mix some more later. I will move it a little. Make sure that it reaches every corner. Now for the handles, I have already casted golden handles using this silicone mold. Carefully keep it inside. Leave it to cure. We'll come back later. This is after 24 hours. It's completely cured now. It got two kind of effects here. Resin kind of moved while it was curing. It looks so good. Let's demold it. The white cement layer is pretty smooth. The edges are a bit crooked. You can cut it off. I have cut all the sharp edges using an X-Acto knife. If you have an edge cutter, you can use that. It will be way easier to cut the edges. So now I'm going to color the edges with gold marker. It's all done now. For the back side, if you want, you can color this. Also, you can put a thin layer of epoxy resin here for the more sturdiness. It's already very sturdy, not bending at all. But if you need, you can do that step also. You can paint it and you can put a thin layer of resin. It will be more stronger like that. So if you like this tutorial, please like the video, share it with your friends and comment as well. Please try it. It works. You will save a lot of resin by using white cement and you will get the same effect you get using the resin or full epoxy resin without white cement. Try it and let me know how it turned out for you.